He has taken away my sorrows and now I'm free. I got me buru, hallelujah, buru. I got my para, hallelujah, para. Because of Jesus, every day now shakara they do. Double, heavenly blessing now him I they receive.
Amanke.
Lord, your grace and mercy.
The electorate are crying. They are saying that if we don't change our hands, they are going to vote skirt and blouse, because there are a lot that has been deprived of them, and they feel very strongly that Dr. Emmanuel Amakwa has the capacity and the ability to be able to take us to 2020 and beyond.
Midi Dr. Yao Edu Amankwe say Uncle MP mpo wa pray juma mani fa bebre ma afforestation me yabi me ya delegate na say me di nachi no open carbon unity or your unity person
Dr. Amankwe on ekura 2016 okahu bi juma so na party ne ba victory ye kan say ye call for change. ATM 5 said, there you go, sir. Ya man, ya to me there. Ya me boy, Echo, ya better abana man. They all want to say, Yan to Abaman, Amanke.
Nanado is saying that 4 more to do more. So we have said that 1 new to do 4. That is our vision.
Finally, oh, it's about to go down.
You just say money no be problem.
Finally,